Number 6, Asilo dribbling the ball. Asilo to Gonzalez. Gonzalez to Mortales. Sumipan ng tres. Bumawi. Mortales shot for 3 is good. Luzala. Bumawi ng dos lang. Long shot. Long 2 for Luzala.
Kaya kakiting score.
Maring time ha. 5-7.
5-7 in favor of Assassin. Gonzalez. Sumipat ng tres. Wala. Rebound by Ads. Ads to Luzala. 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 Lea is better. Marcelo. Marcelo sumipat ng tres. Wala. Rebound by Daser. 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 Daser to Luzala. Pass to Diboy. Diboy to Daser again. Daser, naghahanap ng papasahan to Kurt. Sumipat ng tres again. Kumuha na Kurt. Kumuha tres for Kurt number 15. Score 10-5 in favor of Assassin. Gonzalez, Ronnie. Pass to Gonzalez. Screen by Gonzalez. Back to Gonzalez. Gonzalez. Intercept by Ads. Easy. Possible. High. Brown up pa rin. Rebound by Asilo. To Marcelo. Marcelo. Jump shot is double. Rebound by Kent. To the cell. Pass break again to Diboy. To Luzala. Luzala is double. Nakuha ulit si Luzala. Luzala shot is good. Not good again. Rebound by Marcelo. Marcelo. To number 6. It's not good. Rebound by Daser. Umikot. Umikot si Daser. Sumayaw. Sumayaw. Binigay kay Kirkland. Kirkland. Shot is good. 12-5. 7-point lead by the Condell Assassin. Marcelo. Marcelo. To number 6, Asilo. Nakakuha ng foul. Who's foul rat? Foul on number 15. Second team foul by the Collindale Assassin. 2 Venus free throw for the Collin Dogs. First personal foul on number 15. Let's see the follow shot for Asilo. First shot. Asilo first shot is nugget.
Hoy, galingan niyo yung pag-camera mamaya ha. Ginagaling ko inyo. Sakalin ko kayo pag
Let's see the second ball shot for Asilo.
Wala.
Second shot is good. Ads dribble the ball to the cell. Back to Ads. Ads. Ads to Kirkland. Tres again. Tres is good again. What a 3-point shot for Kirk. Talagang home court advantage by the kick. Bumalik sa St. James. Gonzalez. Gonzalez to Marcelo. Marcelo to Gonzalez. Nabitawan ang bola. Nakuha ulit. Intercept by Daser. Daser to Kirkland. Kirk, number 15. To Diboy. Diboy. Wala pa rin. Rebound by the Marcelo Collin Dogs. Pass to Asilo. Asilo. Lumeyap. Lumeyap is good. Time remaining. Last 6 minutes and 10 seconds. Tumira again ng tres. Wala. Rebound by Marcelo. 58. Gonzalez. Jump shot. Jump shot is good by the number 10. Number 8 na sir. Pass to Diboy. Diboy to Kirk. Diboy. Kirk. Pass to the Ads. Ads. Sumipat ng tres. Wala. Rebound by Gonzalez. Gonzalez to Santiago number 7. Santiago. Pass to Asilo. Asilo is not good. Rebound by Daser. Daser sumayaw. Sumayaw si Daser. Wala. Rebound by Luzala. Luzala to Daser. To Ads.
Shot clock remaining ha.
3 seconds violation by Luzala. Time out. The calendar. Opo, Reminder guys, yung may mga necklace po, pakialis may necklace, earrings, relo, basta accessories yan, prone to accident po yan. Warning po warning. Mga earrings, accessories, bracelet, relo.
Ito.
Dalhin dito sa committee. Back to the ball game.
May palwalatan.
15 na. 15-10.
Is for 15-10 in favor of the Colindale Assassin. Time remaining 5 minutes and 9 seconds for the first quarter. Let's back to the ball game. Marcelo inbound pass to Asilo. Asilo si Santiago sumipat ng 3. Si Santiago. Santiago. Shot is good. 3 points for Santiago.
Nakikipagbidan.
Hanapin niya yun.
Kip to Diboy. Diboy to the serve. The serve to Nusala. Nusala bumaba. Nakakuha ng foul. Who's foul rep? Foul on number 12.
Handshake.
2 bonus free throw for Yushala. Number 18.
Dadala na. Balot.
Para ilang team foul ha? Sabihin mo sa amin. 2-1.
First bonus shot for Yusala is no good.
Walendogs ba yun?
Let's see the second shot for Yusala.
Oh, 2-1 foul.
Ha? 2-1. Anong 2-1?
Dalawa sa ano?
2 team foul.
Daw.
Dalawa sa Colindog.
Sige. Rebound by Gonzales. Pass to Asilo. Asilo sumasayaw. Asilo to Gonzales. Gonzales, easy jump shot for Gonzales. Is good.
Tayo na.
Okay, deadlock na po tayo ha. All 15 time remaining. 4 minutes and 29 seconds for the first quarter. Dasel. Intercept by Marcelo. Easy pass for Asilo. Shot is good. Adds to Lusala. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by Montales. Quick 3. No good. Colindale Assassin ball.
Sino lamang? 17-15. Ito yung Calling Dogs.
Ano mo yung shot clock?
O yung video mo.
Lusala bumomba. Charging foul for Lusala. Number 18.
Lamang Colindog, di ba?
Lamang Calling Dogs.
Ilan na yung team foul na nalawa ko?
3 team fouls by the Colindale Assassin. Mars, inbound pass to Asilo. Back to Mars. Sumipat ng 3 si Mars. Brown out. Rebound by Montales. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Lusala is no good. Rebound by Marcelo to Gonzales. Shot is no good. Rebound by Lusala tumakbo. Intercept by Asilo tumakbo. Nakakuha ng foul si Asilo. Who's foul rep? Foul on number 3. Diboy. 14 foul. Warning for penalty. Colindale Assassin.
Apat na.
Sino?
Ang assassin. Apat na.
Gonzales to Santiago back to Gonzales bumaba, wala pa rin. Rebound by Daser 2-in-1 situation. Daser is layup is agad. Nakuha na kick. Nabitawan ng bola pero same ball pa rin. Time remaining, last 3 minutes ha. Colindale Assassin, you have one more timeout. Kick, sumipat ng 3. Wala. 3 points again to Kick. Oo nga. Hinahabol ang leader scoreboard natin. Montales to Gonzales to Asilo. Easy quick 2 for Asilo is no good. Rebound by Gonzales. Shot is good. Lusala dribble the ball. Pass to Daser bumomba. Sumayaw pero nakakuha ng foul si Daser. Foul on number 10. 2 bonus free. Wala siya.
Both warning ni.
Both warning are penalties, yeah? Santiago nakuha ang rebound. Pass to Asilo. Asilo, Liam is no good. Rebound by Marcelo. Marcelo again to Asilo. Asilo, wala pa rin. Rebound by Lusala. Lusala. Dasar 2 point is good. Nag-score. 19-20, 1 point lead by the Assassin. Mars wala pa rin. Same ball. Last touch by the Assassin. Last 2 minutes and 3 seconds. Gonzalez to Marcelo. Marcelo to Montales. Sumipat ng 3. Bumawi si Montales. Change favor na tayo. 2 point lead by the Caliban. Lusala wala. Rebound by Montales. Pass to Marcelo. Marcelo, layup. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Ads. By the Assassin. Ads na madali. To Kate. Wala. Marcelo to Montales. Nabitawan ang bola. Nakuha ni Ads. Ads sumayaw. Nakakuha ng foul si Ads. Foul on number 25.
Penalty rep.
Penalty na ref. Penalty. Last 1 minute and 26 minutes for the first quarter. 2 bonus free throw for number 29 Ads.
Ay, nako.
Let's see the first bonus shot for Ads. First shot is no good. Let's see the second shot for Ads.
Pumasok ba? Pumasok?
Hindi.
Second shot for Ads is good.
Time out.
Time out! The Colin Dogs is score 22-20 in favor of Colin Dogs.
21 nandun, change favor. Yan ang personal talis.
Tararararara. Next game is Landra versus the Bayawa ay Dragon. Haha!
Sige na.
Back to the ball game.
Di ba aak ng bola sa akin ito mamaya?
Awo ka na.
21 lang yung assassin.
Yeah.
20 kanina, 1 free throw.
Pare, mali yung score mo. 21-20 ya pala. 21-20.
Dito. Yan. 22 tas 21.
Alright, this program is brought to you by Tosilom. May tosi ka na, may itlog ka ba? Montales, time, para time. Okay na. Montales, shot is good. D-boy to Dacer. Dacer is good. Rebound by the Montales, number 12. Pass to the Marcelo.
1 minute, time.
Last 1 minute. Santiago. Quick 3 is no good. Rebound by Dacer. Dacer tumakbo. Si Dacer to Sara to the boy. Blocked by Santiago. Outside na. Same ball. Last shot by Santiago.
Alipad, to. Baliktad siya. Banda kasi kayo nila mag-shoot, banda kaya kamalito. Wala pinili. Kevin na, makanyan eh. Ako niya kapalitan. Alistuya ka rin.
Lusala. Traveling violation. Got by the number 18.
Stoya. Assassin naman karinya.
21 assassin.
Mars. Ay! What a press! Long team for Montales. Galing ng night shift. Hindi na pala galing ng night shift. Kirt, wala ball. Kirt. Nakakuha ng ball si Kirt.
Penalty.
Number 4. Jersey number 4. Penalty na yan. Penalty. 2 balls free throw for kick. Time remaining. Last 27 seconds for the first quarter. This program is brought to you by Tosilo. May Tosilo ka na, maitlog ka pa. Sabayan mo pa ng cucumber. 7 pound each lang po mga kaibigan.
Bili na.
First bonus pito for kick. Shot is good. Let's see the second number. Kick. Kick. Shot is good again. Last 27 seconds, ha? 27-23 in favor of Colin Dobbs. Montales. To Asilo. To Montales. Montales. Bumomba. Last 10 seconds. Rebound by Marcelo. Last 8 seconds. Marcelo's jump shot is not good. Rebound by Kim. Last 5 seconds. Ah, may foul pa? Last 2 seconds, ha? Last 2 seconds. Last 2 seconds.
Point two.
Punto.
End of first quarter. Final score, 27-23 in favor of ang aso ng Colindale. Next game, the Drag Master versus the Dragonborn.
Ay naman.
Putang ina, puro sa taduan nila.
Andro.
Oh, Andrew, change announcer. Change announcer muna.
Anong baliktad yung scoring?
Dito.
Baliktad.
Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game, mga kaibigan, mga kalaguran. This program is brought to you by Tosilog. May tosi ka na, may itlog ka pa.
Sana
May libre kami dito, Rep, ha? Rep, may libre kami dito kung gusto nyo ng kape. Ito, bola.
Ayun yung
Yan. O, ililipat ko na, ha? Okay, lilipat ko na. One way tayo.
Yung live mo.
Sige, yan mo muna. Inbound pass to Jel. Jel to the Killer Smile. Sumipat ang si Killer Smile. Wala. Rebound by another Santiago of Polendog. Francisco. 26. To Velasco. To the El Duayan. El Duayan. To Francisco. Francisco to number 6. To Benjo. Cornejo. Wala. Rebound by the number 7.
Oh, pre, mag-announce mo.
To Jeric. Oh. Jeric to number 7. Number 7 to Abad. Jel, wala. Wala si Jel. Calling Dogs ball.
Oh, pare, oh. Limit sabi.
Cornejo nagdadala ng bola. Cornejo bumamba. Cornejo to Francisco. Nabitawan ng bola. Pero nakakuha ng foul si Francisco. Who's foul, ref? Foul on number 46. 46, first team foul. For the Colindale Assassin. El Duayan to Velasco. Velasco to number 26. Intercept by the Killer Smile. The Killer Smile to Macbo. To Killer Smile. Pass to Jel. Jel to Esrome. Esrome in shot 4. Esrome.
Ay, baralay.
El Duayan to Cornejo. Cornejo drop shot is good. Carl, 7. Abad to the Killer Smile. Sumipat ng 3 si Killer Smile. Brown out. Call Dogs ball.
Sa palang team foul, di ba?
Saka lang. Kami pa. Oh, pito na po natin sa...
Ano yung score? 25 na.
25-29.
Boss, paano ba? Sundan natin yung bondi.
Found by number 7. Kilala. Right. Velasco. To, I don't know again.
El Duayan.
Rule from downtown. Wala. Found by number 7. Right. Binigay kay Abad. Abad, bumomba! Hook shot is good. Balik ka ball kay Bonjo. Punta kay Brother Paps. To Rule. Rule, naghanap ng papasanan si Rule. 15 seconds on your shot clock. Tumira sa tres si Velasco. Wala. Rebound by Corneo using the glass.
Sana.
Jeric. Jeric. Oops. Walang nagsusumbong. Hintayin niyo yung pito.
Black yung ano guys ha, black.
Ang itim ang susundan. Minsan kulay ng katabi ko. Rule, pinsulit kay Francisco. To Boss Pops. Wala. Jeric.
Diretso ko, Jeric.
Jeric pa rin. Harassing by Francisco. Still on Jeric. Jeric. Oops, oops. Balik back to Jeric. Jeric pull up Jay. Lucky bounce on Jeric. Number 26, Rule. Crossing the half court. Still on Rule. Binigay kay Velasco. Back to Rule. 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 Zigzagging. Drop pass. Binigay kay Bonjo. Munti ka na. Back to Velasco. Shot lang konti. Corneo to Velasco. Velasco jump shot. Basket. Assist by Bonjo. Jerry karasing by Kuya Pab. Sige, Kuya Pab. Sige, Kuya Pab. Kala niya. Tinira ni Jerry. Bang, bang, bang.
Dalawa na lang lamang. Dalawa na lang lamang.
2-point lead by the Calling Dogs. Francisco. Francisco. Velasco. Binigay kay Corneo. Trap
Shot lang.
pass kay
Shot lang.
Wala. Oops, may mission tayo. Number Agent 00. Gel.
Sino number?
0-0. Jel.
Team foul number?
Jel.
B2 eh. Personal foul.
First personal foul, team foul. Number 2. Pops. Binigay kay Rule. Drop pass to Velasco. Wala. Rebound by Abad. Abad. Oops, malakas. Miscommunication ako ni Velasco. Velasco. Oh, may tawag tayo. Foul on jersey number 1. Ebarola. Ebarola.
Black and foul.
Hacking foul.
Black and foul.
2 throws given to Mr. Velasco. First throw, Mr. Velasco.
Beta mo to.
Velasco. Aim. Fire. No good. Second throw on Mr. Velasco. Velasco. Aim. Fire. Wala. Rebound by. Oops, may whistle. Doon ang bola. Colin Dogs ball. Okay, this is the third week of Collindale Basketball League. This game is brought to us by Tosilog. May tosino ka na. May kamatis at cucumber ka pa.
Ito sino yan? Alam ng galing sa?
Tosilog.
Barola from the downtown. 3.
Ha?
Rule. Binigay ko Bonjo. Back to Rule. Rule. 6. Aking third drop shot is good.
All for.
Jeric.
Hindi, 2 points yun.
Jeric pa rin. Screen by number 0. Offense tayo. On jersey number 00, Gel. Time out. Calling Dogs team. Warning for penalty. Collindale has not taken.
Apat na eh? Team foul.
Team foul number 4.
Kaya score lang 2 points ka talas. Na?
One.
34 na rin.
Alin?
Calling assassin, apat ni Team Foul?
35-34 o 34-34?
Pre, pre.
Boss.
May trabaho ka?
Back to the ball game.
34 all mo, boss. Wah.
Score natin is deadlock at 34. Calling dogs ball. Warning for penalty ang assassin. Bonjo. May tangan ng bola. Arasi pa yung parola. Bonjo pa rin. Bonjo naagawan. Mr. Jel tumatakbo. Jel block. Big block by Bonjo. Ngayon si Rule naman ang tumatakbo. Drop pass to Jeff. Jeff pull up jumper. Basket again. Lamang ang calling dogs. 2 points. Right. Drop pass. Still. Nakukuha ulit ni Ebarola. Ebarola. Drop pass to Jerry. Wala. Ibang by Brian. Pump. Wala. Ebarola. Drop pass. Brian pa rin. Ebarola. Wala na naman. Ibang by Bonjo. Fast break ni Bonjo kay Kuya Pops. Kuya Pops! Wala. Buti na lang. Nice assist. Pasa lang daw yun. Wala nang mangyayari na Kuya Pops. Abad.
Number 8.
To Jel fakes. Jel. Fires. Wala. Ibang by number 7 ball. Wala. Oops. Big ball. Shot lock is good. Shot lock at 10. Jerry. Binigay. Rep. Ganda na likod mo. Sino yung nakashot? Jerry kata.
Derek, 2 points. Derek, 2 points.
Pare, nanya na alayin kayo natin?
Kenneth Rule. Alayo, dagdagan mo niya pa.
Rebound by Jerry. Abad! Wala. Sa ilalim pa daw. Foul on number 15. Bababa.
Walang free throw.
Pass ball.
Isa pa lang yun? Team foul, isa pa lang?
Diyan yun, Kuy.
Assassin ako.
Barola, tumira sa 3. Wala. Rebound by Jerry. Fires. Wala na naman. Rebound by Bonjo. Amin. Bonjo. Rule. Next game pa pala si Bonjo. Benjo, block! Block by number 7. Pass break kay Barola. Save by Barola to Abad! Wala pa rin! Abad ulit! Music the glass. It's 2 points on Abad. Time remaining.
1 minute and 18 seconds.
1 minute and 18. Spin move by Benjo. May whistle tayo sa foul rep. Foul on jersey number 17. Abad. 2 throws given to Mr. Cornell.
Wala 8 na.
2 throws pa rin. Okay, shooting form. Huwag kang magalit, Kuya Pabs. Mamaya, tignan natin kung may multo dito. First throw. Wala. Second throw on Mr. Cornell. Corneo. Second throw. Wala. Bambay pa kaya. Dapat. Jeric. Napataki dyan ang bola. Binigay kay Barola. Barola. Trapas to Jeric. Release. Big block by Benjo. Time remaining.
Last 1 minute and 2 seconds.
1 minute.
1 and 2. 1 and 2. Balik na ball by Jeric. Oops.
Mama at sapatos.
14, yeah. Jeric. Tobad. Uy! Shooter! Bang! Takbo! Kuya Pops, Peg. Uy! Papwet-pwet na tira! Sige lang, Kuya Pops. Tirahin mo sa puwet. Jeric. Uy! Cha-cha-cha! Gel in the basket.
Kaya kakamitan. Huling makuwid lang kami po. Malapit siya kasi.
Jeff, binigay kay Kuya Pop from the downtown! 3! Points!
41.
41-40, 1 point lead by the Solid Dogs. Ebarola, drop pass to Abad. Abad pa rin. Back to Ebarola. Ebarola. Tumira sa tres, wala. Sabay Rule. Rule.
5,
5 seconds.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Not counted. Not counted. Committee, not counted.
Not counted.
Ano talaga?
Not counted.
No basket. Sorry. Mababa.
Kitang-kita yan. Kitang-kita.
Hoy! Ay, pag meron.
Tama yung score 41-40.
Liwas ka ta.
Ah.
Kitang-kita ang ebidensya.
O, selfie muna tayo. Selfie.
Selfie, selfie. Ma'am. Yan! Mamaya huwag ka na maglaro. Ganyan ka na lang ha.
Plus 12.
Ano eh? Tama, 40.
Dito yung 40 na sila.
Oh. Mas 40 man dito. 41 sa kabila.
Okay, this program is brought to you by Cosilog. Murang-mura lang po yan, 7 foul each. Meron din tayong pampalakas ng tuhod. Mitos Minis. Bumilo ng balot. Meron din tayong longganisa. Longga dito, longga doon.
Wala chicharon?
Chicharon! Kung gusto nyo mag-order, wala. Ano pang meron? Wala na. Oh, may libre tayong kape dito.
Kung gusto nyo ng kape,
Kung gusto
magtitsa
nyo
kayo.
ng kape, magtimpla kayo ha.
Ano pa ba?
Ano pa? Meron din tinapay.
May balot ka ma, may balot. Likab na pula.
May itlog din na pula.
Bahala na kayo kung anong gusto nyo bilhin.
Basta bibili lang.
Ituin mo na. Back to the ball game na.
Let's back to the ball game. Score 41-40 in favor of Siling Colindom.
Ay, hindi pala. Dala ko Jerry pala, assassin.
Assassin niya. Hey! Oy, back to the ball game na. Back to the ball game.
Birthday daw. Wala nang birthday yan.
By the, Andrea.
Oh, meron din tayo pa ng kutsinta. 3 days. How much is the kutsinta? Merenda pala namin to.
Merenda
Sorry.
pala ng committee.
Merenda pala ng committee.
Yan, alert. Committee lang nga,
Sir.
hindi tama player.
Rep. Dito pa rin yan. Change court. Okay.
Technical kita, rep. Gusto mo?
Change court na tayo, mga kaibigan.
Wala nang backout yan? Ha? Wala nang backout? Anong backout? Wala daw eh. Hindi nila tinatawag kasi mali daw. Mali. Lamang ka.
41-40, 1 point lead by the assassin, yeah? Let's back to the ball game. Take ibang paso number 7 to Daser. Daser to Yusala. Yusala, nag-aanap ng pabasahan. Birnibon, sumipat agad si Kate. Nag-press, wala. Rebound by Montales. Number 12.
Number 12, magdadala ng bilaw.
Montales. To Gonzales to Montales.
Oy,
Montales. Long
Sebe.
two. Shot is good. At trap ba yun? Tres. Daser. Daser. Nawala ang bola. Colin Dogs ball.
41.
3 point shot. 3 point shot Montales. 44-40. 41. 44-41. Asilo to Marcelo. Marcelo wala pa rin. Rebound by Kel.
43 lang yan. Data yan, di ba? 41-40 kanina.
Gabi, 3 points na, di ba?
Isa lang doon.
Kick, wala. Rebound by Gonzales. Pass to Marcelo. Asilo, bumaba. Wala. Rebound by Kick. Tuwabad. To Kick.
Oo, 43 pa lang yan. Kasi 40 pa lang sila kanina eh. Tapos naka-3 si...
Mamaya, liga, sabi ka.
Nakakuha ng foul si number 7. Foul on number 20. 12.
Bakit iba yung 12?
Sub, number namulikat si number Jusana. Number 18.
Pag Petro, hindi rin time. All 33. All 33 ka naman.
43, Moret. 43 na.
43 ni.
Oh, 33 sabi mo eh.
33 kasi kanina. Nagkakagulo tayo ah.
Bonus field for number 7. First throw is no good.
Second throw na pala yun.
Sino?
Number na yung number 7. Dagdag mo, lagi ko. Counted siya pala. 1 bonus free throw ako.
Marcelo dribble the ball.
Tira mo!
Mortales! Long press for the Mortales! Hindi galing ng right shift. Oh? Home court advantage.
66.
Kick! Kick to number 7. Wala pa rin. Rebound by the Mortales. To Marcelo. Marcelo to Asilo. Dribble the ball. To Marcelo. Marcelo to Asilo. Asilo. Press pa rin. Wala. Rebound by the kick. Kick! Bumawi ng press. Wala. Rebound by Santiago. Pass to number 12.
Pare, ako magano.
Ako na.
Mortales. Mortales, long press, wala na. Rebound by Kirk. Intercept by Santiago. Santiago to number 6. To Gonzales. Gonzales, wala. Rebound by number 7. Carl to Kirk. Wala. Timeout. Palinda.
Ha?
Follow number 7.
Ball number 7.
Number 7, no? Follow number 7.
Ilan yung team foul sa akin?
Ay! 6. Isa lang.
Walang pipigil sa akin sa pagsasalita ha, mamaya ha. May katinanong
Ito, committee ah. Sige.
Kapit bakit ulit ang kaya ng kaya.
Back to the ball game pare, back to the ball game.
Bada po.
Back to the ball game.
Press na 3 points ah. Press na 3 points.
45 points.
Ha?
Yeah, galing time out naman.
Problema yun.
45 lang.
2 bonus free throw for K. Let's see the first shot for K. Shot is good.
All.
Deadlock na tayo ha. All 46. Deadlock. Let's see the second bonus throw for K.
Ikal. Ampoy, kareng assassin na.
Second bonus throw for Kirk. His shot is good.
Ala, nasa 45 na rin. 47 na lang pala.
40 lang din.
Asilo to Montales. Montales to Benjo. Wala. Rebound by number 6.
Sino nakascore kanina dito sa assassin?
Number 1. Ay, number 15.
15?
Ah.
15. Si
Ay, naka-triple shot.
Hindi.
Dacer is still by Dacer. Number 7, shot is good. Assist by Dacer, ha? Assist.
Assassin na.
Marcelo to Role. Wala.
Assassin, walang
Rebound by Carl.
Dragons.
To Dacer. Dacer. Number 8 to Kirk. Kirk is leveled. Rebound by the killer smile. Jerick to Dacer. Pumeke. Back to Kirk. In and out. Rebound by Benjo.
Tira.
Gonzales. To Asilo.
Bago ng 3-point king. Nakatalo na siya.
Marcelo. 3 points.
Deadlock pare, deadlock.
Deadlock na tayo ha. Deadlock or 49. Time remaining. Last minutes. Jeric, babawi ng press si Jeric. The killer's man. Lovely for the killer's man.
Yan na, nag-iinit na.
Si Jeric.
Si Jeric.
3 points. Given by Jeric Asilo. Nag-aanak ng papasaan. Asilo, Turule. To Marcelo. Marcelo Turule. Nakakuha ng foul si Benjo.
Foul number 36.
Follow number 46. Jeric, the killer's man. 2 team fouls for the Collindale Assassin. 2 bonus free throw for Benjo. Let's see the bonus throw for Benjo. First shot for Benjo is Nagal. Second shot for Cornejo. Let's see. Let's see the second shot for Benjo. Benjo, second shot. Ito good again. Rebound by the kid. Daser. Daser tumakbo. Si Daser to number 7. Easy layup by number 7. Horn.
Second quarter na ba? Second quarter.
Intercept by Kirk. Kirk. Nakakuha ng foul ulit si Kirk. Foul number 26.
Pila no team fouls lang kay Colin Dogs pari?
3.
3 team fouls by the Colin Dogs. 2 bonus free throw for Kirk.
Time. Ano ba?
4 minutes and 33 seconds.
Time remaining last 4 minutes and 33 seconds.
Sub.
Let's see the first bonus shot for Kirk. Shot is good. Sub Carlo labas. Velasco in and Francisco. Marcelo. Si ano pala? Si Asilo. Magpahinga na muna.
Ha? Hindi.
Let's see the second shot for Kirk. Kirk's second shot is good.
Hindi nagagana siya.
49-54.
Ay, 55 na sila.
Pare.
In favor of Assassin. Velasco to Marcelo. Bumaba, pumasok. Cornejo. Wala. Rebound again by Benjo. Benjo. Kenneth Ruler. Pass to Marcelo. Marcelo tumira ng tres. Wala. Kuha pa rin ng Assassin. Rebound by Daser. Daser to Abad. 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 Basket in for Abad. 1 bonus free throw for Abad. Who's foul rep? Basket count. Foul on number 20. Warning for penalty. Colin Dogs.
Ano? Champion na.
1 bonus free throw for Abad.
Ano, bigyan nyo na natin mamaya.
Ang ganda ng laban.
Pilayan na natin yung isa sa kanila. Ito na kayo.
56-49 in favor of Assassin. Marcelo to Kenneth. Napitawan ng bola. Assassin ball.
Good.
Daser. Dribble the ball. Daser. Number 8, Daser. To number 7, Carl. Naghahanap ng papasaan si Carl. Binigay the killer's man. To Kerr sumipat again ng tres. What a tres. Again. Back to back. By the number 15, Kerr Clan.
Sampuna yung lala nila. Sampuna.
10-point lead na. Ang Assassin, mga kaibigan. Velasco to Marcelo. Pumawi ng tres si Marcelo. Pero brown out. Kuha ni Benjo. What a nice save. Pero intercept pa rin ni Jeric. Namulikat na naman. Si Benjo. Binangga ang pader.
Di ba tao bagay mo, wag pader.
Sub down. Bumangga sa pader si Benjo. Huwag niyong awayin ang pader. This program is brought to you by Tosilo. May tosino ka na. May itlog ka pa. May libre tayong kape mga kaibigan. Sa lahat ng namulikan dyan, magkape muna kayo. Assassin ball. Time remaining, last 3 minutes and 20 seconds for our third quarter. Next game, the Drag Master versus the Dragon Ball. Killer's man, quickly, no good. Rebound by Francisco. Pass to Marcelo to Velasco. Jeff Velasco to Marcelo. Marcelo Velasco. Sumipat na 3 si Velasco. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Rule. Number 26. Ayan na naman. Sumubok na naman ng 3. Wala pa rin Mars. Rebound by Pride. Jerry Daser. Nakalibre si Daser. Shot is good. 12-point lead by the Assassin.
Si
Ito,
Daser.
number 8.
Number 8. Marcelo. Back to Gonzalez. Quick to for Gonzalez. Brown out. Rebound by the Kirtland. Pass to number 7.
Ganyan dapat kumuha ko.
Ah.
Substitution.
Ah.
Marcelo. Layup is not again. Rebound by Abad. Abad bumumba. Tungke. Wala MVP for K. Easy layup for K. Umakabante na ang Assassin. Francisco. To Rule. Long 3 for Rule. Rolling. Wala 3 for Rule. 11-point lead by the Assassin.
Substitution ba? Substitution ba?
144.
Last 1 minute ha? And 20 seconds. Boom na naman kay Kik.
Wala.
Rule. Back to back ready. Ginawang praktisan ng St. James mga kaibigan. Daser nagaanap ng papasahan to the Killer Smile. Killer Smile, wala. Rebound by Kenneth. To Marcelo, umikot, binigay kay Francisco. To Gonzalez. 3 points! Last 50 seconds, mga kaibigan. Kick, pass to Daser. Dribble na ball si Daser. Pumunta kay number 7. Umikot ang Assassin. Pass to Killer Smile.
Shot clock, ha?
Ito, 7, 5, 6.
5 seconds shot clock. Rebound by Gonzalez. Marcelo. To Velasco. Quick to for Velasco. Wala. Rebound by Marcelo. Binigay ulit kay Velasco. Wala pa rin. Last 20 seconds. 18 seconds na lang. Kick with relic 2. Wala. Rebound by Francisco. Last 12 seconds. 10 seconds. To Marcelo. Marcelo shot is good.
Pituin mo, pito.
End of third quarter. Final score. 6-point lead. 66-60. In favor of Assassin. Bumaba po ang kalamangan ng Assassin. 66-60.
Dito na.
Memorize nila ang court.
Wala kayo mamaya, ha?
Sino ba po din eh?
Tingnan nyo yung ano. Tingnan nyo yung kutsinta.
Parang toilet.
Ano
Ano ba talaga? Hindi ako sige.
Ano score? 6 na lang?
6 na lang. Pare, dali ko na ang picture.
Pare, pito.
Ito.
Back to the ball game, mga kaibigan. Fourth quarter.
Ilong ganisa lang ang ano.
Last and final quarter.
Wala pa.
Oh,
Ganisa lang.
bili ka ang kutsinta. Bili ka ang kutsinta.
Walang tinda. Ano lang yan?
Walang tinda. 3 days meron.
Maras na yan eh.
Back to the ball game, mga kaibigan.
Last quarter.
Last quarter, last and final quarter. 66-60. This violent by the Assassin. 2-3 for Gonzalez. It's not good. Assassin ball. Last touch by the Paulo. Az, dribbling the ball. Az.
Announce mo yung Longganisa.
Yes! Rebound by Benjo. Cornejo. Cornejo.
Kaya nita na, traveling na yan eh. And gas ako kay...
Jeric to Az.
Brad, dito kayo.
Doon mo na yung last quarter.
Ali, mami blast ako eh. Mami blast ako.
Esrome, shot is no good. Rebound again by the number 7 to Jen. Quick release by Jen is no good. Rebound by Corneo. Corneo to Asilo. Asilo to Gonzalez.
50 seconds shot block ha, 50 seconds.
15 seconds shot clock.
Bukas ba't baliktad to? Hindi mo nakikita eh.
Asilo, shot for 3 is good. Asilo, bang 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 for Asilo.
Baliktad.
Trashito pare, trasho. Jeric to Esrome. Follow up by Jen. Shot is good. Yeah, 5-point by the Assassin. Intercept by Ads. Easily out. For Kondo. Timeout. Colindo.
Sa likod, di ba?
This program is brought to you by Tosilo. By Tosilo na. Maitlog ka ba?
Nice score, nice score.
Nang score, 68-63. Apin yan.
7.
Apin yan.
68-33.
Ha?
Yan.
Okay. Next game, no? The Drag Master
Ba't ka ako 70
and
ah?
the Dragon Ball.
Next, ilan na dyan?
Okay, let's back to the ball game. Time remaining 8 minutes and 11. The score is 70,
Yes, 70,
63.
nakadalawa sila. Nakadalawang layup, 66 ka din.
Bali 70.
70.
70. Si Ads yung isa.
Lamangang assassin. Am I right? Asilo. Pass to Montales. Carlo. Ihawak ng bola. Carlo to Benjo. Binigay kay Mars. Wala. Rebound by number 7. Pass to Ads. Ads. May hawak ng bola. Binigay kay number 7. This is a battle for the number 1 position. To Jeric. Oops. To Jel to Ads. Ads tinira. Wala. Rebound by Benjo. Benjo pa rin. Benjo umatake sa gitna. May whistle tayo. Foul on jersey number 46. Jeric.
Lalaro na. Katabay ko si Francis. Kada na katabay.
Two throws given to Benjo. First throw on Benjo. Games. He burns! Wala nagkabigla ba? Kala ko no pressure. Second throw ni Benjo. He aims, he fires. Split charity. Bakit tumabay number 7? Jeric. Pass to Ads. Binibig ni number 7. Harassing by Mars. Number 7 looking for his teammates. Pass to Ads. Ads back to number 7. 15 seconds on your shot clock. To Ebarola. Back to Ads. Binigay kay Jel. Jel, pula. Napunta kay Benjo. Pass break ni Benjo. Binigay kay Astilo. Using the glass, wala. Rebound by Ads. Ads. Binigay kay Jeric. Jeric. Pull up jumper. Illegal pick. Illegal
Sub,
pick
sub,
na
sub,
tayo.
sub, sub.
Sub rep. Sub.
Sino yung foul? Rep?
Number
Sino yung legal ano?
Illegal pick number 7.
Yung team foul ha? Dalawa na sila.
Second team foul. Rule. Binigay kay Carlo. Harassing by Jel. Back to Rule. Rule. Oops. Blocking foul ang tinawag. Jersey number 7. Foul.
Ilang foul na yun?
Second personal foul on number 7.
64-70 pa rin ha.
Time out to, time out to.
Time out.
Time out.
Timeout. Assassin.
Isa na lang yung timeout ng
Both
assassin.
team, tigisa kayong timeout sa 2 minutes.
Nag-timeout na rin to?
Di pa. Meron na. Last 2 minutes.
Last.
Last 2 minutes. Dalawa pa sa...
Timeout na ba sa port? Tigisa na lang pala. Last 2 minutes. So. Pre, last 2 minutes yung timeout nyo, Isa.
Wala nang pahinga, balik-balik na. Let's back to the ball game. Let's back to the ball game. Inbounding the ball by Mars. Sige, ref. Mars.
Kuya, patabi, kuya. Kuya,
Pass to Carlo.
Kuya Danny. Kuya Danny.
Rule. Tumira si Tres, wala. Nakuha ni Mars ang bola. Mars. Pabandang tira. Basket. Dribble the ball by Dacer. Score is 66-70. Apat lang. Apat! Oops! May whistle tayo. Umbrella defense. Foul on jersey number 7. Foul on jersey number 7. 2 throws given to Mr. Abad.
Sub daw.
Sige, pag pumasok
Pag
yung
pumasok.
muna. First throw on Abad.
Sub.
Basket. Gonzalez coming in. Number 7 sa dugout. Second round, Mr. Abad. Ready jumper. He aims. He fires. Wala. Rebound na kuha ni Rule. Binigay kay Benjo. Benjo to Mars. Mars pa rin. Mars umaatake. Mars binigay kay Rule. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Benjo. Benjo pa rin. 66-70. Mars tumira. Lock 2. Score is 68-70. 2-point lead by the Assassin. Dalawa lang yan. Uy! Ano uy? Ebarola! 3. Points. Marcelo. 5 na naman. Binigay kay Benjo. Binigay kay Gonzalez. To Mars. Fall away. Basket. Taser. Rushing by Carlo. Balik daw.
5 minutes. Last 5 minutes.
Time remaining 5 minutes. Ebarola. Drop pass to Abad. May whistle tayo. Foul on jersey number 10. Gonzalez. Hanging foul on Gonzalez. Personal foul.
Sub.
Stop. Adds out. Kirk in.
Team foul. Assassin sa
Ebarola. Tumira sa 3. Rebound by Benjo. Binigay kay Rule to Mars. Pull up J. Basket again. 1 point lead. 70-73. One stop for the Bali Dogs. Dacer pa rin. Dacer, zigzagging drop pass to Ebarola. Wala. Rebound ni Mars. Kaya na magtatakda ng kabalaran. Benjo! Basket! Change favor! 74-73. Lamang na ba ang Colin Dogs? Kirk! Tumira sa 3. Wala. Rebound by Jel. Using the glass. Wala na naman. Napunta kay Carlo. Whoop! Bola napunta ulit kay Benjo. Si Benjo tumatakbo. Benjo! Hook shot! In and out. Ebarola rebound. Ebarola pa rin. Ebarola! Zigzagging. May whistle tayo. Foul on jersey number 10. Gonzalez. Sub-ref.
Warning for
Gonzalez, warning for protection.
Gonzalez warning for disqualification. Sub number 3, D-Boy E. Lamang po ang calling dogs ng isa. Abad, binigay kay Ads. Rather D-Boy. Parola, sigsaging. Nabitawan ang bola. Whoop! Rule, binigay kay Carlo. Carlo! Wala. Nakuha ni Francisco. Francisco pa rin. Binigay kay Mars Tubengo. Rule. Mars, kulang jumper! Wala! Rebound by Kirk! Kirk pa rin, sigsaging Kirk! Kinaliwa! Basket! Change play for ulit tayo. Change play ball. 75-74. Mars, may hawak ng bola.
Nanood eh.
Benjo Benjo. Nanood ang score. Carlo, may hawak ng bola. 15 seconds on your shot clock. To Benjo. Benjo pa rin. Benjo, matake. May whistle tayo. Foul on jersey number 17. Abad. Substitution. Jeric in. Barola out. Warning for penalty. Assassin. 2 throws given to Benjo Corneo. First throw on Benjo. Benjo! Game! Fire! Meron o wala? Basket! Bedlock tayo at 75. Second throw para kay Mr. Corneo. Corneo. He aims. He fires. Yes. Change paper again. Lamang na naman ang Colibox ng isa. 7-6, 7-5. 1 point lead. Kirk, tumira sa tres. Wala. Rebound na kuha ni Benjo. Benjo, binigay kay Rule. Rule. Pass to Carlo. Ang delikado nun. May whistle tayo. Foul on jersey number 15. Kirk, penalty. Penalty ang assassin. Second personal foul on Kirk. Team foul on penalty. Assassins are on penalty situation. First throw on Carlo. He fires. Basket. Walang kabog-abog. Tignan natin ang pangalawa. Meron o wala? Meron o wala? He fires. Chiching. Walis. Rebound na ko ni Benjo. Benjo. Binigay kay Mars. Mars, harassing by D-Boy. Mars, binigay kay Francisco. Wala. Rebound by Kirk. To Jeric. Jeric. 2-point lead lang yan. 77-75 to D-Boy. D-Boy using the glass. Wala. Time remaining. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Whoop. Out of bounds. Touchless. Assassin ball. Bola ng Columbus. Shot clock at 13 seconds.
2 minutes and 15 na.
Rule. Whoop. Aliyot na dito. Wala. Still by the serve. The serve. Basket. Deadlock ulit tayo at 77. Pass break ni Benjo kay Rule. Rule. Drop pass to Marcelo. May whistle tayo. May whistle tayo. Simple lang sa timeout. Who's foul rep? Foul on number 3. D-Boy.
Timeout kaya? Timeout kaya?
Wala pa naman ano eh.
May 2 minutes na yun.
Last 2 minutes.
Timeout. Calling dogs.
Wala nang timeout ha, Calling Dogs.
Wala na kayong timeout. Calling dogs. Last 2 minutes remaining of action in the exciting matchup between Collindale Assassin and the Calling Dogs. Score natin is deadlock at 77. 2 throws given to Mr. Mars. Get ready for the second game. Collindale Dragons versus the Slum Drunk. Let's back to the ball game. Let's back to the ball game. 2 throws given to Mr. Mars. Penalty ang assassin.
Yung kabila.
Penalty yung kabila. Penalty yung kabila. Pare, penalty na.
Calling assassin.
Ali, rin calling dog sa lila. Kailangan team foul.
Okay. First throw, Mars. Higgs, he fires. Oop. Wala. Second throw para kay Marcelo. This is a battle for number 1 position. Marcelo, aim, fire. Wala na naman. Rebound. Oop. Si Francisco sa kalaban. Binigay kay Dacer. Dacer wala sa kay Mas. Dacer pa rin sigsaging. Umikot. Dacer! Wala. Mas. Pass break kay Rule. Rule up and number wala. Harabaw sa passing ball.
1 minute 50.
1 minute and 50.
Guys, sabihan mo yung time ko yan.
Number 7.
Boy, shot
1
clock.
minute and 40.
45.
15 seconds on the shot clock. Martinez. Rather, Jeric. Oops, biwisan tayo.
Foul.
Foul on jersey number 20, Corneo.
Third team foul.
Nakayakap ka, nasa likod. Kung nasa harap ka, jump ball daw.
Third team foul.
Team foul number 3 pa lang yun.
Okay.
Team foul number 3, second ka.
Ilan na si Benjo? Yun foul, Benjo.
Bagay ka ball bayaban.
14 seconds shot clock, ha?
Kirk, sigsaging. Tinira, wala. Rebound na ko ni Benjo. Racing bayaban, Benjo pa rin. Deadlock pa rin tayo. Time remaining.
1:25.
1:25. Carlo from the downtown. Dacer, may hawak ng bola. 70, 80, 77.
Wala. Nanood ako.
Wala, Abad. Rebound by Abad. Abad pa rin. Pumege. Tumira, wala. Nakuha ni Dacer. Dacer, tumira. Woo! 3 seconds.
1 minute.
3
points.
seconds. Oh, 80-77. Sinabi ko na, 3 points. Time remaining.
1 minute.
1 minute.
Koy, sasabihan mo yung time kang
Marcelo.
Ang point shot clock ka.
15 seconds on your shot clock. Binigay kay Rule. Tumira sa 3. Wala. Rebound na ko ni Kirk. Kirk pa rin. Tumatakbo. Time remaining. Kirk. Pabandang tira. Wala. Rebound na ko ni Francisco. Time remaining. 40 seconds. Binigay kay Carlo. Wala. Francisco naman na yun.
14 seconds. 14 seconds shot clock. 14 seconds shot clock.
40 seconds on your shot clock.
28 seconds.
28 shot clock. Game clock. Marcelo. 5 seconds to shoot. Wala. Shot clock
17
pa rin.
seconds.
17 seconds. Game clock na yan. Game clock. 17 seconds.
Shot clock is off. Shot clock is
Wala
off.
na tayong shot clock. Game clock na yan. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5. Number 7 tumira. 2. 1.
4 seconds. 4 seconds. 4 seconds.
4 seconds now. 4 seconds. 4 seconds.
4 seconds.
4 seconds.
Bilangin mo na lang, boss.
4 seconds. Abad. 3, 2, 1. Here is our winner. Number 1, the Golden Dogs. Tinalo ang assassin ng tatlo.